Welcome to the 2019-20 Open House. I am Principal Stacy Gottlieb, and I am so glad you're here tonight. This shows that you are committed to your child's success at school. We hope you enjoy this evening of excellence. Tonight, you will have the opportunity to get a glimpse of what your child does each and every day at school. You will spend the next 2 hours following your child's schedule. Each class is just over 10 minutes long. Please note that tonight is not a time for individual parent conferences. If you would like to schedule a conference, the house clerk can set that up for you. In first period, there will be 2 sign-in sheets that your teacher will collect. Finally, please note that some teachers are not on campus this evening. If you go to a classroom that has a sign on the door, please feel free to come to the Learning Commons, otherwise known as the Media Center, and visit our fall book fair. If you have not already done so, please follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. Thank you for coming out tonight and enjoy your evening.
Good evening, families. My name is Mrs. Freitas, and I am the Dean of Student Relations here at River Springs Middle School. Last year, I was a Graduation Assurance TOA, and I was able to build relationships with a lot of the students that were in 6th and 7th that are now currently in 7th and 8th. I'm so excited to continue working with those students this year and to get to know all of our new 6th graders. Enjoy your evening here with your student, and go Gators!
Good evening and welcome to Open House. I am Mrs. Beery, the 6th grade assistant principal, and I want you to feel rest assured that the administration team here and all of our guidance counselors always assist your students, whether it's before school, after school, at cafeteria, or between classes. Make sure to visit all of our wonderful staff tonight. Thank you and have a great night.
Hello, my name is Candace Ezell, and I'm the 7th grade ESC assistant principal. I've been with Volusia County for a long time, over 20 years, and I was a classroom teacher for about 22 in middle school, and I've had a district position, and now last year I served River Springs Middle School as the Dean of Student Relations, and this year I'm back as an assistant principal. I want to welcome all the parents and students to Open House. We're looking forward to a fantastic year. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me in the 7th grade house. Thank you and have a good evening.
Good evening, parents, and welcome to the wonderful 2019-2020 school year here at River Springs Middle School. I am Dr. Nash, 8th grade assistant principal, and I welcome you here this evening. I think we have a great group of kids this year. I'm very excited about this year, and I look forward to working with each and every one of your children, whether they're in 6th grade, 7th grade, or 8th grade. We have a very positive vibe this year with all kids, and I'm just very happy to just be here and working with them. It's a little background on me. This is my 2nd year here at River Springs Middle School. Prior to that, I was at University High School, working with the high school babies as an assistant principal. Feel free to give me a call if you have any questions, but I look forward to working with each one of you and your children. So have a great school year, and go Gators.